The first news about the use of domestic loitering ammunition appeared in March, and has been received regularly since then. However, until the beginning of June, only the combat work of the Cube family products from Zala Aero was reported. UAVs of the Lancet line, also developed by her, were not used, or episodes of their work did not get into the news. Also, Rostec revealed the characteristic features and differences of the Lancet. This drone has a high level of autonomy, and also carries optoelectronic means. With the help of the latter, he can independently find a ground target and aim at it.
Subscribe to the channel, it will be more interesting. Thank you in advance.
Loitering ammunition of the Lancet series is being developed by Zala Aero. The first sample of the family was presented in 2019 at one of the domestic exhibitions. On the basis of common solutions, two samples were created, Lancet 1 and Lancet 3. These drones allow you to solve various tasks, and if necessary, they are supplemented by products of the Cube family, also from Zala Aero. Already in 2020, a large batch of Lancets went to Syria to be tested in a real conflict. It was reported that the Russian military actively used such products and successfully hit a variety of targets, stationary and moving. Later, the Ministry of Defense showed videos of objective control made by reconnaissance UAVs. Drones of the Lancet line are distinguished by their characteristic design and recognizable appearance. Both known products have an elongated fuselage with a multifaceted section, on which the planes are installed. X-shaped wings and tail stabilizers are provided. Later, a new plumage scheme was introduced. It has a smaller span, and also includes a horizontal stabilizer and a vertical keel. All versions of the Lancet are equipped with an optoelectronic system with guidance in two planes. The flight is provided by an electric motor and a pusher propeller. The central part of the fuselage is given over to remote control systems, a battery, and a warhead. In flight, the UAV maintains two-way communication with the operator, transmits a video signal to him, and also receives commands. Lancet 1 has a mass of only 5 kilograms and carries a 1 kilogram high-explosive fragmentation warhead. It develops a speed of 110 kilometers per hour and can stay in the air for half an hour. Lancet 3 is larger and heavier. It weighs 12 kilograms and is equipped with a 3 kilograms warhead. The flight speed and range are higher than those of the smaller vehicle, and the flight duration has been increased to 60 minutes. The main task of the Lancets is the detection and destruction of ground targets. The UAV of this family, like other loitering ammunition, must fly to the area of the intended location of the target, after which the operator begins to search for the target. The found object is taken for escort, after which the device dives on it and is blown up. Warheads weighing from 1 to 3 kilograms are sufficient to destroy manpower, unprotected and lightly armored vehicles in open areas or in light shelters. The warhead is triggered upon contact with the target or at a short distance from it, which increases the area affected by shrapnel. During the tests, the concept of air mining was worked out. In this case, the UAV is on duty in the sky and is looking for enemy aircraft. Then he must approach them and undermine. In this mode, the Lancet is capable of destroying almost any modern UAV or causing serious damage to a helicopter. An important contribution to such a weapon system is made by UAVs of the Lancet family. In the recent past, they have confirmed their capabilities at training grounds in Syria, and are now being used in Ukraine. As reported, with their help, they have already managed to destroy a number of enemy combat vehicles, guns, and other material. And it is obvious that the combat score of the Lancets will continue to grow, demonstrating the potential of both these products and the entire concept of loitering ammunition.
Don't forget to subscribe and like.